Mango chole with puri is amazing. Make it and you will thoroughly enjoy it because, my God. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Wash Chef. Today, after a long time, again I am making chole. I almost, had chole almost 6-7 months ago. That means literally I haven't eaten this whole year. So when you want to make a chole, I was searching for, masalas that I made. Even the packet masalas, chole masala was not there. Of course, it is very easy to make it at home, instant masala. So first, let's make the curry and I'm going to show you. When I was in Delhi, I used to enjoy this chole eating out, those samosas, gulab jamuns and chole bhature, very popular. But today we're going to make puri and chana. So for this, no whole garam masala or anything, I'm going to straight away add onions to the oil and salt. Make sure that these onions are slightly colored. Chole masala comes in many forms. One is nice and dark, but whatever way you make, the masalas should enhance the chana dal, never dominate it so much. And the chana should be cooked in such a way, they should be kind of mashy consistency. We in South India make chana masala, not so dark in color, little bit lighter. To get the dark color, we in the hotels, we use the caramel color also. Burn the sugar, you can use some of the caramel color. Another popular way to do is using tea leaves, which I am going to share some of the earlier recipes in the description box. You can go and check out other chana masalas. Now, when you see this onion slightly browned, look at how golden they are. That's what gives you very good taste also to your curry. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric. I did not add cumin seeds before. I'm just going to add on top of it. That's okay. Now, in this, we're going to add the tomato puree. Cook till some oil comes out. If you don't have chole masala, chana masala at home, I'm going to show you a very easy way to make it. Add chilli powder, coriander powder, little bit of cumin powder and pinch of garam masala powder. Now in this, add little bit of chaat masala, kasuri methi powder. That's it. Your chole masala is ready. If you want to add, I would love to add little crushed pepper also into this, but it's individual taste. Now you can see that some of the oil is coming out of these tomatoes. Then add the masalas, all of them, and mix it. Mix it and keep cooking till some more oil comes out. When the masala is done, this is the time when you're going to add the Kabuli chana, and I've used Kabuli chana, not the Deshi chana. This is the Kabuli chana. Make sure you cook in such a way that if pressed, it should mash up. Now, you have to let this cook. Usually, when we cook in the hotels, we cook this for at least 2 hours on a slow flame, keep mixing, and that is what will give a very good consistency. But today, we are not going to add the katapan of tamarind, but today I am going to add green mango. So what I am going to do, I am going to cut the green mango, literally kind of chop it, and then we are going to add to this when this is almost done. So you will have the katapan as well as the goodness of raw mango. After cooking for around 15 minutes, I use the ladle to mash few of the chana, so you get the desired consistency. We're going to finish it off by adding green chilli, chop them, and in this mango, I didn't want very sour mango. This is just right sourness because already the chana masala is little bit sour. So add to this. Do not cook any further. Switch off the flame. As simple as this. Time to put in the puri. Make sure that the oil is nice and hot and give a one pat on its back and it will puff up. Look at it. Nice. Very simple, easy. Every puri has to puff up like this. This is no ordinary chana masala. This is mango chana masala. The little pieces of mango is what will make it very tasty. Mango chole, add some chopped coriander on top and of course have some green chillies. With hot puris, wow, Look at this. You know, the mango pieces, the nice sour mango pieces with the crunchy onion on top. Chili holds the key for what? To make it even more tasty. When you have kids and everybody coming to eat this, you got to make it a little milder. Mango chole masala undoubtedly is the best. And take another bite. My goodness, what a combination. With every last bite of chili, you got to say boomba, boomba, boomba. Keep eating as many chilies. So tomorrow morning you will feel it, but you got to say boomba, boomba, because this is just outstanding. I swear to God, I have not eaten chole masala in the last 6 months, and every bit of it I am enjoying it. So good. Our Kabuli chana can be enjoyed throughout the year. But do you know that chana leaf is one of the best curries you can make, but chana is grown in the month of winters. So in the month of November, December, we are going to make chana leaf curry. Wow. During other time, make chole, chana dal, kebabs and all that. And enjoy.